Yep. Hold up here so it doesn't move. Yeah, put it down. Lock it down.
Like that, that's nice. Mixing out.
No.
That's a clip, that's a mess.
But it sounds worse when you're further away. It sounds loud when you're further away.
Also got 2 bullets. What happened? Did it go bang for you? Did it go quick? Have you shown me the...
Yeah.
I think with only one person over here, we're gonna have trouble getting. Maybe just do. Angry too. Didn't pass me. Hold up the field and quick pump. Can I send somebody? The leader, I don't know. It's for the scouts first. Who wants to go shoot pistol? Go on down there.
It's a short out there.
No, I thought so. I'll take that one. I think we'll have time to shoot that. Supervisor's out tonight.
Sitting at home right now. I can't trust it because everything high or low. Hey, you want to lower one? That didn't come, so I couldn't ring it.
Matthew, you feel like a sniper when you went.
No,
I went twice by the time you went once. And I was reloading.
Matthew, don't put it facing the web, put it facing out.
hold it. Shoot. You're not thinking. Back again. Good.
All the way down. Keep it up there. If you don't have to reach it's more efficient. Where's your shoulder? You're not going to put on your shoulder. Perhaps you...
That's why you have to keep the mixers on, right?
Hey Eric, can we go down to this? He's right over there. You're right here though, right here. Just right here.
Okay.
Whatever you want to do.
Yeah, I know, but don't you go around the neck the other way, down here.
Yeah, maybe. I've never used it.
Neither have I, so maybe try them around, but take them in. Can you take them in?
Put that back with one hand. You'll be much more comfortable going forward rather than way back. Step straight, or you can lean forward. Okay? Right up on the chair. Right? There you go.
What?
There you go. That's more than that. Really small.
Is ready? Yeah.
loaded
Or
yet.
after.
Hold it tight with this hand.
I don't know. I don't know. But you could actually get dead, but
We'll get these in.
carry.
It's in a swirl around.
Way back. I didn't realize that it had to. That's it. Now.
I'm videotaping.
With the realize it was just a laser. That doesn't do it quicker until you see it doing it. Okay? I didn't really care. I was just.
The red dot sight.
Yeah, well,
The red dot. Inside the sight.
this one's not like in the movie where the
Of course the sniper would use that.
why the heck for like you're too far away to even see it.
Are you trying to shoot me?
Yeah, I know which direction it's coming from too.
Unless you're trying to shoot someone from like 5 feet away with like one of the actual big. Shooting at close range, so you don't have to aim down the sight.
We need more ammo. You short ammo? It's over here.
And if you're doing that, you can still use the pistol. That's why special forces have lights on them.
You need some for the actual for pulling it. Look, you need other lashings too. I've got a list. You come down.
What happened that time?
No, there's 2 magazines per gun.
We only have one. What else?
Somebody else has nicked it. There's 2 per gun.
Okay, go ahead.
Count to 10.
You've been dropped off. Guys, they've been up here for us. Been able to come up a couple times, so yeah.
Here's a spare.
Oh, you found it.
Well, I think maybe we just stole it from somebody else.
Yeah, that was.
Don't lose. There's $200 you have to give back if you before you leave, right? No.
Pardon?
What are we going to do? You lose it and we need $200.
What do we do when we work here?
We'll have to keep you.
What do we do until
Sorry?
What do we do when we're out of bullets?
You don't run out of bullets. That's the idea. Never run out of ammo.
Do we get more?
You need now? Another box.
Okay, and that's for that gun?
Do we get more? Do we get more? Thank you.
can't do only like that. You can't go out there, but an empty one okay? A full one no. Oh, he's not in there for the shot.
I think I'm the official photographer.
This video.
Oh, the next caught on tape now. I feel like.
For you. Hold it in your right hand. Take it off the tree. There. Other hand up. Wrap that hand around here. Okay, look through. Can you see the shot? Yep. Okay. Let me take the action for you. Sorry. Okay, get on target. Shot. Okay, stop there.
He's figure happy, eh?
It's like his dad.
Okay. Turn. Who's up next?
Did you have a shot?
What?
Did you have a shot?
Have you shot? Okay.
Great. Eric, take your time. Line it up.
When you're shooting, can you see? You gotta take a second and wait for it to line up. Slowly breathe, wait for it to set. Like this, right? So pick up another
Those
so
are
wait for it. Right there.
We're allowed to throw it up.
I don't know.
You want to do that?
So you should take 3 or 4 seconds.